Cryptocom app. The pros, the cons. The Cryptocom app is one of the fastest growing cryptocurrency platforms in the world. Most people get this wrong by thinking it's only about buying and selling coins. The surprising truth is that it's much more than that, offering rewards, staking, and even a Visa card that turns crypto into everyday spending power. On the pros side, Cryptocom supports hundreds of cryptocurrencies, allowing users to trade, stake, and earn interest. The app offers a sleek interface with easy portfolio tracking and real-time price alerts. Users can stake CRO tokens to unlock benefits like lower fees, higher cashback, and even better interest rates. Security is robust with two-factor authentication, cold storage, and insurance coverage for certain digital assets. The Cryptocom Visa card is a standout feature, letting you earn cashback in crypto on everyday purchases. Cons include higher fees for certain transactions and some confusion around staking tiers, which can be intimidating for beginners. Custodial wallets mean users don't control private keys directly, and regulatory restrictions in some countries limit access. Customer support, while generally responsive, can sometimes be slower during high traffic periods. In conclusion, the Cryptocom app is ideal for users who want more than just a simple crypto wallet. Its combination of trading, staking, rewards, and the Visa card makes it versatile for both beginners and advanced users. If you're looking for an all-in-one crypto platform with a focus on everyday usability and incentives, Cryptocom is definitely worth considering.